What's up guys, Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. And on today's show, we're going to be unboxing another webcam. This is from LTC. Thank you for sending this to me. And although LTC went ahead and provided the webcam to me free of charge, the views of this camera and opinions are my own. Let's unbox this. Now this is the LTE VE300. Get this out of the box. This one is available here in white and black. I figured I'd ask for the white one just so it stands out against the existing webcams that I already have. And check this out. We've got a remote, and it looks like it comes with the battery already. The remote right here, and this just pulls right out. I'm guessing that it is a 2025 or something, CR 2025. Let's open this up. Yep, that is a CR 2025. There we go. Put this back together, slide it in. Oops, if I do it the right direction. There we go. That's cool. Comes with a little mini tripod here that just screws here onto the bottom. So now I'm going to plug this in, see what the video quality looks like, and play with the controller. Now this is pretty interesting. I'm leaving this up, recording right now using the audio from the LTC VE300 Webcam, and you can see I have my Sony also recording at the same time, and I want to show you the low light performance on this. I was actually kind of surprised. There we go. So now I am in focus. And with this little remote, I can adjust the exposure. But I'm really surprised at the performance of the low light performance of this webcam. It's actually quite bright, because here in my room I just have LED lights underneath my desk. Here, I'll show you. That is what is lighting up my room right now. So it is pretty dark in here. So to be able to see how well this does with practically no light, just light from my monitors, hey Google, turn off the office light. See how this adjusts here. Oh, and the motion sensing, turn the lights back on. Hey Google, turn off the office light. I gotta move very slowly so that my motion sensor doesn't turn on my lights again in my office. Wow, that's impressive. Alright, so here we go. Now I've got my ring light on. Of course, it completely overexposes this webcam, but if I switch back over to the Sony, now I'm still using the sound on the LTC, but you can see how it exposes here, and if I turn this off, that's how bright it is in my office right now. Going back to the LTC, that is very, very impressive for this price point. This is like a $60 webcam here on Amazon. Wow.
I'm going to have to do another showdown video against a whole bunch of other webcams along with this one and see how it performs. Now, with this remote, there is a privacy shutter, which is one of the features, and if I just click this button, so apparently that also kills the sound as well, so it doesn't record any sound or video when you push that little privacy button. That's pretty cool. Now I can also flip this around, and it's like I'm recording in a different room. I just push that button. That's pretty cool. And then I can go ahead and push these arrow buttons like that. And on the front, so there are three. Let me switch the audio back.
So I switched the audio back to my regular recording setup. There are three lights on here, and you can kind of see there's like a little picture of a guy on there. That middle light, if I just tap that, so I just turn that off. Now that is a motion tracking feature, so let me turn that back on and I'll show you how it works. Just like follow me, that's kind of cool. Now, it is not super smooth, like it's a little bit jerky when it moves, but I mean, for $60 webcam, that is impressive. Now, LTC, if you were watching, if there is any way to be able to apply like a firmware update to this camera and maybe have some kind of software control to be able to adjust how aggressive and quickly it is on following you, that would be freaking awesome. Like, this is amazing. Now, the lens on this thing is 3.6 millimeters. It's moving on me. I wonder what it is seeing as a face that made it turn. That's pretty cool. So anyways, the lens is 3.6 millimeters and it is 1080p and it's moving again. Oh, that's cool. Wonder what it sees. And this is pretty adjustable. Let me show you how you can adjust this. Adjusts like up here, shows on the side. All the way forward and all the way back. And then this also tilts up and down as well. And this comes down here. So if we take this bottom off of here, there you go. So you can see just like that. You can just attach it right onto any laptop. Overexpose. Yeah. So tell me what you guys think. Drop a comment down below and I'll catch you in the next one.